I'd like to let you in on a little secret when it comes to hand lettering. It's something I see so often when I am teaching a workshop, and that is that people are writing too quickly. So as you know, you have to have a lot of patience and when you're learning how to do this skill. But not only do you have to have patience for your progress, you also need to write really slowly. When I post videos online, mostly on Instagram, you will see me writing at a really high speed. I've actually had people say to me, "Oh, I'm trying to write as fast as you and I can't do that." What you don't realize is I am writing super slowly. You can see right now, even this is a little bit fast for what I usually write. So I want to tell you a little tip about how you can slow down, because even right now when I am doing my brush lettering, especially when I'm doing a video, I have to consciously tell myself as I'm writing to slow down. And even that doesn't help sometimes. So what is going to help you slow down? Well, what I tell people to do when they're practicing, you actually stop at your exit stroke at this end point and hold your pen there. So watch what I mean by that. So I'm going to write the letter D, and I will write an oval first, like this, and I'm going to stop there. It doesn't matter if your ink, bleeds into the paper. We'll make sure you're not going through onto something important like your grandmother's tablecloth. And you're just going to hold your pen tip there for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to do the next stroke and exit and hold your pen there. 1, 2, 3. So when you're writing a word, I want you to practice that. So let's try it with a word. 1, 2, 3. And this, I know it's going to be excruciating for some of you, but I'm telling you, it's a really important thing to do. Okay, so let's write the word letter. Okay, so let's do the L, light up stroke, and my L, release, stop, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'll draw my E, stop, 1, 2, 3. This technique will also make you very conscientious of your exit strokes. Next, T, 1, 2, 3. And my next T, 1, 2, 3. My E, 1, 2, 3. And when you're going slowly, you can actually think about all of your exit strokes. Do you see how nice and even they are? Oopsies, why did I stop there? So this is the wrong stopping point for the word letter. 1, 2, 3 here. And exit 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, is that driving you insane listening to me say 1, 2, 3 all the time? But you can say it in your head. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you try this technique even with your basic strokes. So let's say I am practicing my, you can see I'm going to turn my camera a little bit so that this doesn't look so slanted, but when I am practicing, I will always turn my paper like this, and it's just easier on video for you to see me like this. Okay, so let's try our basic stroke. I have the Dream Pen here, and I will do some overturns. So 1 going up and push down and stop. 1, 2, 3. Then lightly going up. 1, 2, 3. So when you are writing your basic strokes or practicing your letters individually, stop at every stroke at the end and count. And this will help you really slow down and pay attention to your technique. The other thing you can do is count while you're writing. So let's say I'm doing the oval. So each basic stroke should take I don't know, around 2 seconds, maybe even 3. So I'll go at my normal speed and we'll count. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Holy smokes. Was I counting too fast? That's pretty slow, isn't it? Okay, I'll do the oval though takes a while. Let's try the underturn. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. So you're going to go for about, I guess, strive towards, I don't know, 2 to 4 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. Okay, let's try the C, last one. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. It's actually quite hard to count and write at the same time. Now, you know, if this is a large brush pen. Let's take out the small brush tip pen and see if it's any different. This is my multicolor small, and because it's much smaller, I'm sure it will be different. So I'm going to write the word love. So like 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. No, it's kind of similar. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. So it's about 3. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Okay, so I don't even know. It's 2 to 3 seconds or counts, and that's the other thing you can do while you are practicing. All right, so number 1 is stopping at the end of your strokes and stopping for 2 or 3 seconds and counting, and the other one is counting during your stroke so it's nice and slow. This will also help. I'll tell you my biggest problem before this video ends is I will start writing a word. So let's say I'm writing the word beautiful. So I will write the word beautiful, and I'll start out super slow, and then it happens every time, and then I'll get feeling good and I'll speed up, and usually when I speed up my technique falters and I get sloppy and I lose my thin and thick strokes. So doing this counting exercise will also help you with slowing down with your words. Or you could have a count going on while you're writing the word and trying not to speed up. All right, so this will help you get really nice consistent letters and improve your brush pen skills. Thanks for watching.